Hey guys, midday, Saturday 17th. Let's quickly look at the crypto, what happened. Alright, so yesterday Bitcoin did a nice three-wave correction, so we expected an up move. Now, unfortunately, this is looking very corrective. So you see you got your sideways correction, looks like another sideways correction. So worst case scenario, this could do one more dip in our blue box area, still at the maybe 618, which is the $59,000 before it actually does go up. So there is that scenario or room for that. Again, this should have gone with more momentum out of this channel and then correct and then go up. But so now we have to wait and see. Will this support hold and go up? Will it do one more dip down to there before it goes up? Yeah, I'm not worried. This is still overlapping correction. If I look at Ethereum quickly, same thing. So we've got our impulse down for the correction yesterday, which is the A wave. This could be the B wave. So I've got my arrows here just in case this could be equal leg down to meet my channel lines before it goes up. All right, so that's your Ethereum. That means we will have this line here. Let me just draw it in. So from there to there, we've got a channel and just draw it like that. Okay, so scenario could be this is the A, B, one more dip down to this area before it goes up. Okay, that's Ethereum. That just means it will still meet this, still in this uptrend channel. So this is definitely a scenario to look out for. Okay. If I look at, we all got into Galactus. I still don't know what's going on here. Remember I said 300 is the top. It actually broken right through to 335 before it started to come down again. So we'll just have to wait and see what this is doing. This is broken out of the up channel, so it's very impulsive, but at some point it'll have to come down and correct. That's the only one I haven't got perfect. Okay, Ripple, the one we all playing since yesterday. We did our A, 1, 2, 3, B correction, and we got a C. As you can see, it touched the blue box area exactly. That leg and that leg down is equal lengths, so like that. Equal lengths, which means that correction is complete and it can now go up. Unfortunately, after this nice move up, let me just zoom out. That's a nice impulse. Unfortunately, it didn't do that and it broke up and then do that and then carry on. I need this above this channel. Only once it's above this channel are we bullish. So at the moment it's doing that. Unfortunately, it looks like it's doing another small correction here, which could mean a scenario like this, or a very possible scenario is just break the low over here and probably meet this area before it does go up. I'm in heavy on this one, but I'm not worried. I am still holding on. It is going to go at some point. But just be aware it might and could, with this overlapping action, very possible that it could do one more little drop this weekend before it actually goes up. If we're very lucky, this could be a 1, 2, and then inside that could be the next wave 3, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave 3, and then another 5 waves for wave 5. So if we're lucky, that's the scenario. But ideally, I would have liked to see a break above this channel. So that would have been the ideal situation. Okay. Oh, there goes my tools. That's it for now, guys. Good luck.